This week, continuing prep for Thanksgiving, we are gonna roast a turkey, and I have pretty much perfected the roasted turkey. Don't mean to brag about it. The first step in the perfect roasted turkey is brining. And so this starts, a day or two in advance. I have a bunch of stuff here. A lot of this stuff, a brine can really be anything that you want, seasoned with anything that you want. I have a big piece of ginger here. I'm just gonna cut that into a few pieces. We have some oregano, 2 bay leaves, a large amount of fresh thyme, and then I have 7 garlic cloves, 6, 7, whatever. I'm just gonna give each one a little bit of a smash, and then 2 cinnamon sticks, just kind of break those in half. This is mace, that'll help flavor this up really well. Then we have cloves, just whole cloves, and we're gonna put about 5 of those in. This is black peppercorns, half a tablespoon or so. Allspice berries, about a tablespoon of those. And then juniper berries, another tablespoon of those. To fold this up, we just take the opposing corners and we just kind of lift and grab everything underneath there, give it a little twist. That's our packet. You can tie this in a knot. I actually have some butcher's twine here. All right, here I have a gallon of water. To it, I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of salt-ish. It doesn't have to be exact. And then I want a cup of brown sugar. Then I have 2 lemons here. I'll just cut them each in half, squeeze, and drop in. And in goes the packet with it. And we'll stir that up. This is gonna go right on high heat. Bring it to a boil for 10 or 15 minutes. Now we have our turkey here. We're just gonna prep. First off, these little turkey poppers, they're useless. Those things don't pop out till like 175 or 180 degrees even. And it's in the breast meat. The breast meat should come out at 163 max. So these things just get rid of. Also, the neck comes out of the cavity there. This is like the little tail piece. A lot of people will throw that away, but there's some good meat in there, so I keep that. And always remember, out of the neck part, there's usually a bag stuffed full of the gizzards and the hearts and stuff like that. Take that out. I use these for stuffing, or the dressing, I guess. But do what you will with it. While that is boiling, we're gonna get the bucket ready. This is a food prep bucket, and I'm gonna put a full 7-pound bag of ice in. Okay, this is done. And what we're gonna do is just dump it right into the ice. We are going to take the bag out, but hold on to it. We'll use it again here in a minute. With the breast side down. Now the bag of all the aromatics, we put right into the cavity of the turkey. We want to keep this really cold, as long as we're going to brine it. You can put it in the fridge if you have space for that. I don't have space for it, so this is actually, our temperature outside has dropped low enough to where if I add ice into here, it will stay cold for the next 24 to 48 hours. You want to check on it every once in a while. As long as there's still ice in the water, then it's cold enough, it's safe. I'm just gonna set this outside 24, 48 hours. See you then. It has been 24 hours. We're ready to get going on roasting this turkey. We're gonna preheat the oven to 500 degrees. Here I have a little tray, and then on the bottom is a few layers of paper towel, and then I have paper towel over here as well. Because we're gonna bring this out, and then we need to get it padded completely dry. We'll pull this up a little bit and lift out this bag that had all of our aromatics in it, and that can just go right in the garbage. We'll bring this guy up. Now we just pat this dry completely. Get the inside as well right into the roasting pan. We're gonna take just a few loose aromatics and put them in the cavity. I just have a cinnamon stick. I'm gonna actually take some salt, give it a little toss in there. I have some rosemary that goes in, thyme, and then that was oregano, and also some sage. We also have a lemon. One half goes in the bottom, the other half we'll just put in the neck area. Next couple of steps, we are going to truss the bird, which means basically tie it up until it's kind of a ball, and so that it will roast nice and evenly. With the wing tips, the way that you handle those is you fold them back over on top of themselves, and you kind of pinch it in there. Then we'll take a little twine here, and we're just gonna wrap it once around the ankle, pull the other one in tight, and just give it a simple knot. And that is our trussed bird. The next thing we need to do is make our turkey triangle. Just some heavy duty tin foil. Get a large square of that and create a triangle, and then just kind of fold up the sides here. Just the tip of the triangle goes right at the bottom of the breast, and we're just going to kind of press it on, and we tuck it in where the wings are, and we lift these areas up, and now we take it off very carefully, but keep that form. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to roast the turkey without the triangle on it at 500 degrees for 30 minutes, and that's going to kind of help us crisp up the skin. Couple final steps before this can go in the oven. We need some olive oil. Just put a bit of that across the turkey, nice and even, all over the skin. Then salt, just a nice even layer, and then pepper, even layer that. 500 degrees, 30 minutes, let's do it. Okay, 30 minutes is up. We'll open and drop the temperature down to 350. Put the triangle on, just set it right there. Now I have here a meat thermometer, and I'm going to link to this in the captions. In the captions I'll link to a post, and in the post I'll put this stuff. This one, I've got 2 wires hooked up to it so I can monitor both the temperature of the dark meat and the temperature of the light meat. So you can see this toggles between the 2 temperatures. So one is the breast, which is 77. So you can see it's cooking a lot faster. And then the leg is 66. So I've got it tucked in the back there. That one's going right in the breast there. And we'll just keep an eye on it here. Now that's just gonna go until I can see that we've hit our desired temperatures on there. The cool thing about this meat thermometer is that it has an app that it connects to, and it can alert me when it's time to take it out. So I'm actually going to set this for 150 degrees, and then I'm going to take the tin foil off, the turkey triangle off, and we'll finish kind of crisping up the skin for the last 12 or 13 degrees or so. Awesome. For this next little bit, we're going to pop the temperature up to 400 degrees. We'll probably take it out, anywhere between 160 and 163 is good. So it's 160. I'm going to take it out. I can see that the dark meat got a little bit higher, so it's like in the mid 180s. So it's time for both of them to come out. And that is a perfectly roasted turkey. You do not want to cut into this for at least an hour. Check out our video, actually, speaking of carving, on how to do that. I'll show you exactly how you break down the turkey and the right way to do it, so it makes the best use of the meat that's there. But let us know how you like this recipe. Give it a try. Would love to see pictures. Be sure to tag us.